The Elliptical Marquee tool is the second tool here on your toolbar. And to access it, you have to push down and hold down on the rectangular marquee tool, and you'll see you have this option for elliptical marquee tool. So go ahead and select elliptical marquee tool. And this one is a little bit more complicated. So it requires a lot of guesswork. So to start this tool, just like before, you press down on your mouse and drag out a selection. And you have to estimate the size of the ellipse that you're trying to select. So in this case, we're trying to select this coin here. So once you unclick, you can't change the size of your ellipse here. Okay, so you'll see I'm not quite right. So what will help is if you press out and hold out your selection, before you unclick your mouse, hold down your space bar, and that allows you to move your selection before you unclick your mouse. So I'm going to move my selection up here kind of towards the top left. I'm going to let go of my space bar and then readjust my size of my ellipse here. So you can toggle your space bar to move it, okay? Once you unclick your mouse, your selection is set. You can't change the size of it anymore. So here I have this coin selected. So I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments. Let's go to Hue Saturation. And let's change the hue here, make it something completely different so I can see that you selected that coin successfully. Hit OK. And let's select this second coin here. So again, I'm going to press and drag out a selection. Before I unclick my mouse, I'm going to press and hold down my space bar to readjust where my selection is. I'm going to let go of my space bar, keep my mouse clicked down, and keep adjusting the size here until it's right. And then I'm going to unclick my mouse. Again, Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation. Go ahead and change this a whole nother color. I'm going to go ahead and saturate it a little bit, maybe darken it. You just want to make sure it pops out so I can see that you changed the color. You could also colorize it over here, and you'll see that that kind of gives it a nice flat color. So if you want to do that, you can. And hit OK.